Good afternoon everyone. So it's a activity for the teacher fest by Ms. Taruna Khurana, Science Mistress at GMS Chak Panchkohi, with the topic metals and non-metal, 10th class. So let me show you my activity. These are the flashcards on chart. So let us discuss about our topic now. First is elements, which is described in a metal, non-metal and metalloid with this flashcard. At this back we can show the students metals in a periodic table. जो हमारे पास जो shaded region है, that is a metals in the periodic table. Here these are the properties. Same as for the non-metals in the periodic table, and similar for the metalloids. Next we can show them properties of the metal. Here after opening it we can show physical properties of the metal, and here after opening it we can show the chemical properties of the metal. Yeah. So if these are visible, you can see that here these are the chemical properties of the metal. Next we can see properties of the non-metal with same criteria. These are the physical properties and these are the chemical properties. Now we will talk about our reactivity CD. So reactivity CD we can show like this with the trick written on this, and these are the elements which is most reactive and which is least reactive. Next flashcard. Yes. So it's a ionic bond. We can say these are the metal atom and this is a non-metal atom. Happy phase because of the extra electron and sad phase because it needs one electron. Next is a ionic compound formation. How it is forming, everything is written on this. Next is a ionic compound, ionic bond with metal and non-metal, and they are conductive in nature, so it is electricity which is shown here. Next is a inert metal will not react. If sodium will ask helium to make ionic bond, helium will reject it because it is very stable. So if it is a very stable, then it will not make any kind of ionic bond. Next it is a corrosion. Corrosion is a gradual destruction of metal by air and water with any substance around it. Method to prevent it are painting, oiling, greasing, chromium painting, galvanizing and alloying. So here is the mechanism of the corrosion we can see here, and we can explain it in easy way to the students with this flashcard. Next is a alloy formation. Yeah. So it's a alloy formation. You can see it's a definition of alloy, and next is a alloy of brass and cupronickel. With the help of these things, pie chart, we can show them how much extent of zinc is present in this and how much extent of copper is present in this. And same as at back we can see for gunmetal as well as the constant tin. So next is a so it's a increasing metallic character, increasing non-metallic character in the periodic table. This is a periodic table in the pink shape, and you can see here that if we will move along the period in the direction right to left, there will be increase in a metallic character, and here it will be increase in a non-metallic character. Here increasing non-metallic character, and here it is increasing the metallic character. So it is done with all flashcard activity. So it's a complete chart I am showing to you all, in which all the flashcards are attached, and with these flashcards, we can easily explain the whole complete chapter of the metal and non-metal to the students of class 10th. So it is represented by Taruna Khurana. Thank you so much.